Welcome to Berg-Schmidt. Berg-Schmidt is a member of the Stern Video Gruppe, an independent group of companies with worldwide connections, specializing in oleochemicals, food and feed ingredients. Berg-Schmidt has been operating in the feed industry in the field of feed fats and additives for over half a century. We advise and supply feed manufacturers and also large farms around the globe. The focus of our consultancy is on the efficient feeding of farm animals with the aim of increasing the yield. We hold a leading position internationally in the development and production of fat powders with a fat content of nearly 100%. The production plant for our Berger products is in Malaysia, where top quality palm oil is processed fresh from the growing areas. That enables us to maintain and guarantee our high quality standard.
Malaysia and Indonesia put together produce about 40 million tons of palm oil. Out of 40 million ton, Malaysia produces about 18 million ton and Indonesia about 22 million tons. Today our facility produces about 62,000 metric ton of fat powder which are exported to 50 countries globally. We produce variety of fat powder which are application specific. We also produce fat powders customer and market specific. It means if you request us to produce any specialty fat powder with new ingredients which you need for your market, we can produce that quality of fat powder and we have that facility. Now let us go to our production facility and have a look at it together.
Welcome to the Berg-Schmidt production facility in Malaysia. We are located in Banting at the heart of Malaysia's palm oil plantation area. In this production unit, we have three main processes. Number one, of course, is storage. Number two, fractionation. And number three, spray cooling. Please allow me to show you around in our production facility.
Let's start with delivery of the raw material. Here you can see RBD palm oil being unloaded. The abbreviation RBD stands for refined, bleached and deodorized. The next step is to fractionate the RBD palm oil. By adjusting the process parameters, we can produce burger fat in different formulations. For example, we can make up a product based on fatty acids, burger fat F100, or based on triglycerides, burger fat T300. The characteristics of each burger fat product are geared specifically to the physiological needs of the animals. The whole process takes place without the addition of chemicals or other foreign substances. In the third step, the fractionated raw material is homogenized. That ensures standardized quality before the production process continues. At this stage, further ingredients and additives can be worked in if required. In the fourth step, the liquid palm oil fraction is sprayed into the cooling tower through nozzles at high pressure. Each individual finely sprayed fat droplet crystallizes as a result of carefully adjusted interaction between the air current, the falling height and the air temperature. In this way, the liquid fat is transformed into a fine, high-quality powder. The particle size of the powder depends on the pressure used and the size of the nozzles through which the liquid fat is sprayed into the tower. The final step in the production of burger fat is filling, either in 25 kilo or 50-pound sacks, or in big bags of 650 kilos, depending on the customer's needs. Both the raw material delivered and all the intermediate and end products are subjected to strict quality analyses. Certain parameters are checked and documented in our own laboratory after each stage of production. Our laboratory is equipped for the analysis of free fatty acids, peroxide value, moisture and impurities, color Lovey bond, iodine value, melting point, fatty acid composition, acetone insoluble, phosphorus and protein. In order to offer our customers flexible delivery schedules, we have a finished goods warehouse with a capacity of around 700 metric tons. A strict first in, first out principle ensures that the goods leaving our warehouse are always freshly produced. For export to our customers, the goods are loaded into containers. Our company's own logistics department ships burger fat to over 50 countries around the globe. Burger fat is a high-class product that contributes to healthy, efficient animal nutrition and is subject to permanent quality control.